in any three paper of general mains exam, you have to get 60% plus marks, up to 60% in any three. Yes ना, जितना ये including interview, तीन में अगर आप manage कर लेते हो 60%, you will crack this exam comfortably, right? You have to learn history, you have to learn geography, polity, constitution, governance, है ना? Economic and social development, environment, ecology, science, technology, ethics also, isn't it? मतलब everything under sun and something beyond sun also, ethics and all. Similarly, even after completion of foundational learning, following topper stock, senior stock, director stock, Kumar book depot wala stock, yes na, image runner stock, majority of students keep on learning, aggregating, reading new sources rather than revising and reorganizing and listing the dimensions of topics so that they could retain those dimensions in examination hall. And despite that, for last 4 years, you see students are getting average score in GS3. Despite too much of hard work, too much of block diagram, flow charts. Yes, no. Getting your point or not? Despite that subject being common to PT and mains, students are getting lesser and lesser score in GS3. मतलब somewhere UPSC का expectation is not being fulfilled by.
With Vikas Ranjan sir, and
Thanks Vikas Ranjan sir and
Vikas Ranjan sir,
with Vikas Ranjan sir.
To Vikas Ranjan sir.
तो सर का जो पढ़ाने का तरीका
Of Vikas sir. Of Vikas Ranjan sir. Of Vikas Ranjan sir. Vikas Ranjan sir.
to Vikas Ranjan sir,
To Vikas Ranjan sir ki. Vikas Ranjan sir ki.
Vikas sir,
From Vikas Ranjan, I to Vikas Ranjan sir for giving me direction.
This is Vikas Ranjan, and I'm not the best teacher of sociology, right? The criterion to be the best is to be at some big platform and viral on social media. That is the criterion these days. Yes, na? Until unless you put on that t-shirt, you are not supposed to be the best. So, I'm not the best, but yeah, I try to be good. And I wish and I want my students also to be relatively better, right? Perfection is a myth actually. To be perfect, is a myth in civil service preparation, right? That causes lots of anxiety and fear, isn't it? If you want to be the best and perfect, right? And the purpose of calling today, आजकल एक ही बैच है, last batch 10 classes are 10 or 15 classes में complete हो जाएगा the last batch. So I told them कि please call those who are enrolled just for interactive session. Let me understand and learn something from them. How they're preparing, what is their approach. Yes, na? And share my experiences also, my learnings in past 15, 16 years, right? So that is the purpose of that this orientation class. You have to go a long way from here. Just let me know first about you and your approach to UPSC preparation, right? You just think me as a learner, aspirant, and you tell me how to prepare for UPSC. Because look, sociology, although you are here for sociology, optional class, but no subject is isolated, right? all subjects are interrelated and your approach, overall approach matters, है ना? Your overall approach to preparation, be that sociology or general studies, matters here. Although these days GS, all learnings in GS is more relevant for cracking prelims. In mains exam, majority of the students are getting average score in general studies. Apart from top 5 or top 10, you will not see much difference in general studies marks, P1, P2, P3 and P4 for other ranks. Yes, na? Even last year, top 20 also got double digit marks. Majority of students got double digit marks in general studies papers, particularly paper 1, paper 3. Yes, na? Double digit में marks आया है. So competitive age you will not get in general studies. You are not getting, most of the majority of students are not getting in general studies. Rather, optional essay and interview. Right? एक myth है कि ethics में बहुत अच्छा marks आ जाता है, but if you see many toppers also got average score in ethics. I remember rank 57, which is score 110 in ethics. Yes, no? Overall score, I guess 410 something, isn't it? But interview 198, sociology 299, right? Essay 132, right? So in any 3 paper of general mains exam, you have to get 60% plus marks, up to 60% in any 3. Yes ना, जितना ये including interview 3 में अगर आप मैनेज कर लेते हो 60%, you will crack this exam comfortably, right? तो यही सब कुछ बात करनी है आपसे, इसलिए आपको आज बुला लिया गया, right? I hope you all are appearing for year 2026 or 27 also, 26. So this is right time to start, yes na? And I hope you are not enrolled in any 2 years course of general studies also. कोई ऐसा नहीं है ना, because I see students enrolled in 2 years course, बाद में उनको लगता है कि oh my god, ये तो टाइम पास हो रहा है kind of, isn't it? क्योंकि preparation should be intensive. जब से आपने शुरू करना है and then onward, intensive. ये नहीं कि बस college like, बैग टांग के जा रहे हैं, मोमोज खा रहे हैं, right? Kind of ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना? So okay, fine. First, let me know, then I will guide you how to approach. हमारे यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा टॉपर स्टॉक नहीं होता. But I believe कि जिसको लगता है कि मैं अच्छा पढ़ा सकता हूँ, वो मेरे पास आए. टॉपर स्टॉक, डायरेक्टर स्टॉक बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करते. अब इसको मेरा ईगो कह लीजिए आप या प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच कहिए, है ना? लेकिन ये है, कभी कभार कुछ बच्चे आ गए, पोडियम मैंने शेयर कर लिया, कुछ बहुत जो इस प्रोसेस में ग्राउंडेड रह जाते हैं. अदरवाइज रिजल्ट के बाद टॉपर्स ब्रिंग्स लॉट ऑफ सेंट्स एंड सेंसेशंस. सेंट लगा कर आते और सेंसेशन फैला देते. यस ना? तो और उसके बाद वो चले जाते ट्रेनिंग में. यस ना? और ऐसा सेंसेशन टॉपर स्टॉक में फिर कुछ मसाला लेकर आ जाते डायरेक्टर स्टॉक कि मेजॉरिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स बिकम मटेरियल ओरिएंटेड, जबकि दिस प्रिपरेशन रिक्वायर्स ए स्पिरिचुअल ओरिएंटेशन. आई गेस यू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन मटेरियल ओरिएंटेशन एंड स्पिरिचुअल ओरिएंटेशन. आज हम जिस दुनिया में हैं, इसमें हमारा ओरिएंटेशन क्या है? राइट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. अरे मटेरियल ओरिएंटेशन होना भी चाहिए, नो डाउट होना भी चाहिए, है ना? ड्रीम ऑफ अ गुड हाउस, कंफर्टेबल हाउस. कलेक्टेरिएट एंड डीएम रेजिडेंस इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल एक्चुअली, राइट? तो होना चाहिए बिग कार्स, बिग हाउस, है ना? ड्रीम होना चाहिए. बट इन दिस प्रिपरेशन, material orientation will trouble you, right? You need to have a spiritual orientation after foundational learning. इतना कुछ foundational learning में करना है. फाउंडेशनल क्लास में टीचर के साथ एक अच्छा कनेक्ट एस्टेब्लिश करके लर्न करना है, कर लीजिए. उसके बाद स्पिरिचुअलिटी. यस ना? इनर इंजीनियरिंग सदगुरु जी ऑफर्स ना, इनर इंजीनियरिंग ईशा फाउंडेशन, राइट? So that inner engineering required, after foundational learning. लेकिन होता क्या है कि when you start following, topper stock, director stock, then that material orientation continues even after completion of foundational learning. इसलिए जहां भी आप क्लासेस कर रहे हैं, जनरल स्टडीज या सोशियोलॉजी, इन वन गो ट्राई टू बिल्ड अ गुड फाउंडेशन, है ना. उसके बाद मेरे को कुछ नहीं सुनना, मेरे को बस अपने को सुनना है, अपने मन की बात करनी है. यस और नो, राइट. अच्छा फाउंडेशनल लर्निंग होना चाहिए. तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि डायरेक्टर स्टॉक, टॉपर स्टॉक करने से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट स्टॉक अगर कर ले टीचर, है ना, स्टूडेंट से बात कर ले, तो टीचर्स का भी, है ना, एनलाइटनमेंट होता है और स्टूडेंट्स का भी. यस ना, बोथ गेट इनलाइटेंड, राइट. तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा इंटरेक्शन ज्यादा रखता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स को, है ना. और इस लेवल पे इंटरेक्शन रहता है कि सिलेक्शन के बाद भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है तो तुरंत कॉल करते हैं सब, राइट. अभी भी रास्ते में मैं आ रहा था तो एक स्टूडेंट से बात ही करते आ रहा था, कुछ सजेशन समथिंग, राइट. तो एनीवेज, ठीक है. सो टेल मी जस्ट योर नेम, फ्रॉम वेयर यू बिलोंग टू, एंड योर एकेडमिक्स, प्लस हाउ शुड आई प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस एग्जाम. मतलब योर सजेशन टू मी for preparing this exam, how to approach this preparation, right? So yes, please. Yes, tell me. Yeah, आप शुरू करिए. What's your name? From where do you belong to? UP. Mic दे दो. Mic किधर है? Yes, and UP. Your academics? Graduated in subject?
Hello.
BA. Okay. Sociology? No. Huh? Sociology background. Fine. So you have started your preparation? So what is your approach? How will you become IAS? Yeah, how I will become IAS? Although no chance in this life, right? But yeah, next life. Huh? Yes. टेल मी. कुछ तो हॉट होगा ना कि कैसे प्रेप किया जाए, सुना होगा ना टॉपर से, टीचर से. यस ना, राइट. कुछ बताइए, या अभी जस्ट ब्लैंक, कोई आइडिया नहीं है? अच्छा ठीक है, यू प्लीज. हाँ, यस यस.
I am Jahnavi from Andhra Pradesh, sir. I
Great.
graduated in BSc Nursing,
यस.
and through consistency focus, I wanna be approach this.
Consistency, focus. Okay, fine. Yes.
Sir, myself Diksha Singh.
Yes.
I graduated from BA program in Economics and Political Science.
Yes.
I am from Bihar, Kaimur, and right now I'm just focusing on my general studies, and I come for sociology.
Tell me just one point, one important, suggestion. How to become IAS?
Sir,
How to crack this exam?
discipline and consistency.
Discipline and consistency. Yes, please.
Good morning, sir. My name is Manoj Kumar Bhatt.
Yes.
I have done my bachelor's in engineering in information technology, and I am from Maharashtra, sir.
So, suggestion from
Sir, I think patience and perseverance helps you.
patience and perseverance. Yes, ठीक है. Please, next.
Good morning, sir. I'm Niviksha, and I'm from Delhi. I've been
Great.
for me, I think it's discipline and
Great. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
myself, Kushika Saini. I'm from Haryana. I have done my graduation from BSc EMC. And for me, I am a student should have a positive mindset to
Mindset. Yeah, that is also important. ठीक है, next. Yeah, यहाँ से कर लीजिए. Yes, yeah.
Sir, good morning, sir. Myself Naveen Babu, sir, and I am from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering. Then the key thing we should focus on while preparing for a civil service exam is that first thing is that syllabus, which is the key important thing. Second one is that limited resources. Third one, PYQ. And the fourth one is the most important thing, to get guidance according to and act accordingly under the guidance of Vikas Ranjan sir.
Acha.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes.
Good morning, sir. I am Anshika
Morning.
Tiwari. I am from Patna, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes.
Still doing my graduation in BA B.Ed. I believe there is hard work, consistency, and discipline are important.
Hard work, consistency, and discipline. Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chetna. I have done my graduation in BA program. I am from UP. Sir, PYQ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करें जितना सर सिलेबस को बार-बार हमें देख लेना चाहिए, एक तरीके से दिमाग में बैठा लेना चाहिए.
ठीक है. Yes. Yes, please close.
Good morning, sir. I'm Mehak Jain from Kharagpur, West Bengal. I'm currently pursuing my BA degree. I'm in second year. And I think consistency, focus, discipline, and syllabus. We have to be very thorough with the syllabus. And through this, we can achieve our goals.
Yeah, true.
Hello, sir. Myself Ananya Yadav. I belong from Banda, Bundelkhand. And I pursued mass communication in my graduation. And as they all have talked about syllabus and consistent learning, along with this, I will say that a better strategy with consistent learning is also a key that we can focus on it.
Yeah, fine. Yes. Consistent learning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Morning, G.
Myself, Rishikesh Kumar from Bihar. Yeah. I think so. What we read, what not read is more important than.
Okay.
And discipline and perseverance, I chance to say.
Okay, great. Yes. Yeah, next.
Good morning, sir. My name is Utkarsh Rai. I have done my graduation from Science and Down, and currently I am pursuing Masters from Delhi University. And I belong to Uttar Pradesh. And for clearing the UPSC civil service, we must have right attitude towards the service, and we must have positive mindset.
Yes. Positive mindset, important, yeah.
My name is Anuj Yadav.
Yes, G.
I belong to Uttar Pradesh. I've been pursuing my master's from IGNOU. For me, consistency, focus, and discipline is needed to crack this exam.
Great. Yes.
Good morning, sir. Myself Siddhika Bise. I have done my graduation in BCom and from Maharashtra. And a lot of practice.
Yeah. Students from Maharashtra do a lot of practice, test series and all, right? Yes.
Good morning, sir. Myself Vaibhav, and I am pursuing my graduation from Delhi University in BA program Political Science. And I think dedication plus hard work along with smart work is also necessary.
Great. Yeah. Yes.
Good morning, sir. I am Sarthak Pandey and I am from Prayagraj. I have done my graduation in BTech Civil Engineering. And my suggestion would be that we should focus on revising things as much as possible so that it may help retain whatever we have read.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. So my name is Shubham Singh Dhami. I belong to Bhopal. And I've completed my degree in BA from Bhopal itself. All those things. But apart from that, I think that critical thinking and logical reasoning should be there.
Yeah.
And instead of focusing on what to think, we should focus more on how to think.
Yeah.
And it's 2 points more. It's not about the syllabus, but apart from syllabus, we need to be very clear why we are focusing, why we want to clear this examination. Because I think the motivation is more of an intrinsic rather than enforced on somebody.
Yes.
So it will motivate you in a long run and be a little bit indifferent towards the result, because it is very uncertain that it's very unlikely that you'll end up clearing this examination, but it's like you should be more focused on the preparation rather than result.
Yeah. Yes, G.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Kartikeya from Andhra Pradesh. I have graduated from Delhi University in BA program, Economics plus Political Science. I believe for civil services, first we need to understand what they need from us in UPSC. Sir. So it's the best way to crack UPSC.
Yes, true.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Kalyan from Andhra Pradesh. I done my graduation in BSc Statistics.
On Kalyan ji, very famous.
Our Deputy CM, sir. I done my graduation in BSc Statistics from Andhra University. For UPSC, linkaging the current affairs with the dynamic part is the most major role play. And the consistency and the never give up mindset is a key role.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Pushpesh Kumar from Bihar. I have completed my graduation in chemistry honors. For UPSC, limited resources and keep a mindset positive is required for this.
Chemistry honors from where?
Bihar.
University
from Bihar.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
My name is Ansuman Singh. I have completed my name is Ansuman Singh. I have completed my graduation in civil engineering, and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur. I think be a good listener and focus on your weakness. That's it.
Yes, true.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Lucky and I belong to Uttarakhand. Currently, I am pursuing BA program from Political Science from Delhi University, and I believe that staying motivated is one such approach everybody should follow. Apart from that, positive competition is also necessary in this examination. Along with this, I believe that limiting our resources, because there is vast resources in the market, but limiting to them and then consistently following the approach is necessary.
Yeah, true.
Myself, Sanchita Gupta from Jharkhand. I am pursuing my BA from Delhi University, and I think that there should be a positive mindset, consistency, and current affair things should be updated continuously.
Yes, true.
Myself, Kirti from Andhra Pradesh. I am pursuing my management studies in SV University, Tirupati. So I approach consistency and positive mindset with continuous hard work should be there, so that we cannot feel low.
Yes.
So myself, Rohit, I am from Maharashtra. I graduated in BSc. I did my BSc from Agra University. And basically, I would like to tell, this is a long journey. So you need to be motivated. Focus on your hobbies so that you don't get distracted from the studies also and hobbies also. And multiple revisions is necessary for this.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Morning, sir. I am Yashraj Singh from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I have done my graduation in computer science engineering. And sir, constant revision and limited resources are most important.
Yes, fine.
Sir, my name is Priyanshu, and I have done bachelor's in science from PU. And according to me, these are enough.
All these points, yeah. Fine. Yes.
Hello, sir. Myself, Himanshu Yadav from UP Azamgarh, and I have completed my graduation in Allahabad University. Sir, apart from this, a good answer writing skills is also important for.
Good answer writing skills.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
My name is Livin. I'm from Kerala.
Yes.
I did my graduation in mechanical engineering. So from 2 years of preparation, I would say what I have come across is desire and time frame is what important. Like you have to have a big time frame so you could make mistakes again and again and find out what is important for you.
Yes.
Prepare I wouldn't say strategy, I would say set of systems for you So you wouldn't have to have this discipline and preparation strategy and all that. You don't have to have, because you will be in that flow and you'll be continuing. You don't have to force yourself. And in order to be in that, you need to have a big time frame. So if you start early, you can have that time frame.
Yes, yes.
And what I have come across is after 2 years, what you have chosen in the first time will not be usable for you in after few years. So you have to dismantle that, enter into a new mindset, start as like it is fresh.
Yes, yes.
So it is like learning and again and again and again. So you need to have a time frame.
Yes.
And you need to have this desire, this deep desire to reach that place. Whatever happens, I will continue.
Yes, true.
That's it, I guess.
You understand Hindi?
Sorry?
You understand Hindi? Hindi.
Bit much.
Okay.
Not
And
much,
you,
but-
Naveen Babu? Huh? Not at all. So by the time we complete this class, if you start understanding Hindi, you can pay some extra fee. Because majority of the students I see are from Hindi belt. So at times I will give example from UP, है ना? Examples from Maharashtra, examples from MP, Bihar. So those examples, comes more comfortably in Hindi, right? When I will give examples from Tamil Nadu, है ना? Preferential marriage, practice in Tamil Nadu, first preference, second preference. Those examples will come in English, right? So by the time you complete the class, you will learn little bit of Hindi also. Yeah, yes.
It would be nice if you could talk in English. While
Yeah, certainly. Yes.
With Hindi is fine.
Yeah. Yes.
Hello, sir. Myself Rajiv Kumar from Bihar. I have done my graduation from Patliputra University, BCom.
Yes.
And sir, consistency and discipline and regularity.
Yes. Consistency, discipline. Yeah.
And regularity is needable for this exam, sir.
Great. Yes.
Sir, myself Ravilanjan from Nalanda, Bihar. I have completed my graduation in physics honors. Sir, I think consistency and discipline are the main focus for completing.
Coming from Nalanda, first preference was that of IAS or IIT?
IAS.
IAS only? Direct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Otherwise, generally, from Nalanda and all, IIT and then, NET.
Good morning, sir. Myself Ashish Pandey. I am from Bihar. I have done my graduation in economics honors. I think for cracking this exam, we need fire in our stomach and back-breaking hard work. That's it.
Okay, great.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kusal Bhagat and I am from Ranchi. And I think practical and application-based approach should be there. So, whatever we learn, we should apply. We should able to apply.
Yes. Application. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. My name is Yashwant. I am from Telangana. I completed my master's in physics, sir. So, along with all these things, you need also have some friendships for the mental relief, and these are enough for the clearing the 3 stage of exam.
Great. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Myself Anush Kumar, and I did my graduation in computer science engineering. I think consistent preparation and a proper content of material will be enough.
Great.
Good morning, sir. I am Vishwesh. I am from Andhra and I did my BTech in Amrita University. So, according to me, one should be very passionate to become a civil servant and he should be very honest towards his work and effort he was giving to the exam.
Yes.
Hello, sir. My name is Ashutosh More. I am from Maharashtra and I have completed my BTech in computer science. And my suggestion will be to first to understand syllabus, cover your foundations, solve PYQs and revise it regularly. That's what will help you in clearing UPSC exam.
Great.
Hello, sir. My name is Srikant.
I am a BTech computer engineer and I am from Maharashtra. My suggestion is to correct approach or correct way with syllabus and discipline and consistency.
Great.
Myself, Kiran. I'm from Chhattisgarh. I done my graduation in BCom honors from Delhi University, and I will think we have to analyze more syllabus and PYQ, and do more practice in answer writing, and with good strategy and positive mind.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Anshul, and I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. And I have done my BTech from IIT Surat in Computer Science branch. और बस इतना ही है कि जो आप पढ़ाओगे वही पढ़ना है.
बिल्कुल.
उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, उससे कम नहीं.
Yes. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shambhavi Tripathi. I have completed my graduation in History of Arts from Banaras Hindu University. And sir, till now everything written on the board is equally important. And along with this, I think one should have a fixed target, like a fixed year for this rather than making it a 5-year plan.
Great.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Gargi Pandey. I belong from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in maths from University of Lucknow. My only suggestion is that if we all got opportunity to receive guidance from many experienced teachers, don't waste your time. Give your 100% with happy heart and calm mind, because the regret you will have after wasting of time will stick to you till you die.
Great. Great. Good.
Hello, sir. I am Ritik Sinha from Patna, Bihar. I am done my graduation from Allahabad University from subject economics and sociology. And my strategy is, first of all, we focus on syllabus. And after all things are written on board, then what in
Relevant. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Subham. I graduation from Bachelor in Computer Science and pursuing Master in Computer Science for UPSC. Just study well.
Great. Okay, so lots of suggestion. Yeah. Fine. All those, all these keywords are relevant. Yeah. All these keywords are relevant for learning. And many of the keywords reflects philosophical aspect of learning, right? Philosophical aspect, that we like come to know in course of time from toppers and seniors and many motivational gurus also, right? On social media, patience, perseverance, yes, na, right? Discipline, right? Fine. All these are relevant. These are philosophical aspects of this preparation. Practical aspect, many students, have very practical suggestions like focus on learning, focus on syllabus, yes, na? Application, yes, na? How to learn, how to think, yes, na? These are, some practical, right? How to apply my learning, how to do correlations, applications, right? See, my suggestion would be, please take this journey as a journey of personality development. Yes, na? The personality that, match to civil servant, civil service officer, personality, right? You all have some academic background, graduated in computer science, graduated in civil engineering, yes ना? आप civil engineer हैं, आप nation को बनाते हैं, right? Infrastructure develop करते. So you are a specialist, right? In particular, subject, maybe sociology, maybe political science, yes ना? History, right? Economics, आपका economics and sociology, yeah. So you all are specialized. But as IAS, more than your specialization, your generalist knowledge and competency to apply that knowledge matters. Yes, na? In a district, apart from IAS officer, there are many specialist officers like Chief Medical Officer, Agriculture Officer, Forest Officer, right? Chief Forest Conservator, etc. Many officers specialized in particular subject, particular discipline. Yes, na? And who is the boss? IAS, right? Executive engineers are there. Many civil engineers, executive engineer there. Yes, na? When executive engineers, approaches to IAS for regarding some infrastructure development with some project, detailed project report, IAS questions him and asks for social impact assessment, environmental impact assessment. Civil engineer, executive engineer is concerned about infrastructure development. Yes, na? Unka kaam kya hai? He has to, like develop infrastructure, road banana and other infrastructure developments. Yes, na? But IAS have to take care of all. Yes, na? Right? Different aspects. So he will ask for social impact assessment report, environmental impact assessment report, and if that is not provided, he can cancel also. Right? He can reject also. Getting your point or not? So this point you have to understand. Right? You have to develop a personality with a specialist knowledge as well as generalist knowledge. Isn't it? You must have competency to learn something special and learn everything general. Isn't it? And therefore UPSC has included the subject like political science, sociology, anthropology to test your competency for specialized learning, and GS paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4 to test your competency of generalized learning. And this learning is a continuous process. Yes na? ऐसा नहीं समझिएगा कि बस after getting recommendation of UPSC, right, learning completes and then you have to enjoy your life. After that also, first phase of training, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, every stage of promotion, you will have to go through some new learning and experiences, and you have to prove yourself. You will have to prove yourself. Yes, na? Right. So this is. So please take this journey as a journey for personality development. Yes, na? I will discuss different aspects of personality in our syllabus. We have to study. You have to study self and identity. Yes, na? GH media concept of self and identity or personality. Isn't it? उसमें dimensions of personality होता है. I aspect of personality, something unique, and me aspect of personality, the aspects of personality that we develop as per expectations of others. Yes, na? So as per expectations of UPSC, you have to learn history, coming from computer science background. Yes, na? You have to learn history, you have to learn geography, polity, constitution, governance, है ना? Economic and social development, environment, ecology, science, technology, ethics also. Isn't it? मतलब everything under sun and something beyond sun also, ethics and all. Isn't it? Right, philosophical, psychological things also. Isn't it? Right. And since you have to study a lot of things, history, geography, polity, constitution, governance, isn't it? Mind has limited capacity. Yes, na? Right. So, after foundational learning, right, while doing revisionary, readings, it is very important. Many students, rightly said revision, isn't it? It is very important to reorganize, revise and reorganize. In foundational learning, you go for detailing the things. Yes, na? जितना आपको detail करना है करिए. You must be detailing the things, isn't it? Vertically, yes na, as well as horizontally, right? अब ये क्या आ गया term vertical? For example, if I take example paper 1, GS paper 1 means history. So history may suppose in foundational learning you learn about non-cooperation movement, है ना? तो वर्टिकल क्या हो जाएगा? वर्टिकल कि भाई the concept of non-cooperation, first point, right? Concept of non-cooperation. Then ideology of non-cooperation, right? Then leadership, personalities involved in non-cooperation movement. Yes, na? Vertically, right? We will go deep into, right? Then when it comes to personalities, so Indian personalities and British personalities, right? Then causes of non-cooperation movement. Then events related to non-cooperation movement. This year there was a question, events related to civil disobedience movement. So maybe events related to non-cooperation movement. Yes, na? Then end event and lastly consequences. Isn't it? Consequences of non-cooperation movement. This is, vertical. Yes, na? Going deep into, yes, na? Dimensions related to particular topic. Right? Conclusive remark, synthetic point, relevance of non-cooperation movement, relevance of ideology of non-cooperation movement, right? Relevance of ideology of non-cooperation movement like farmers movement. Yes, na? Peaceful protests. अरे यही था ना non-cooperation में, peaceful protest. Yes, na? Celebrating non-violence day on 2nd of October, right? Something, in contemporary relevance, related to contemporary relevance. Yes, na? Got this point or not? Are yes, na? Right. So this is how we, go for vertical learning, right? And then horizontal correlations, who all derived inspiration from Gandhian non-cooperation, Mandela, world history में चले जाएंगे. Yes, na? Getting your point. Gandhi himself inspired by Martin Luther King. Are yes, na? Right. So this is how usage of knowledge. While you are doing revision, you have to do more and more correlation. You have to relate, more facts with particular, topic. Yes, na? So this is a good foundational learning, isn't it? First go mein, this is not possible. First go mein, to teachers will come and, explain everything in detail, detailing. जिसको मैं कहता हूँ detailing. And after that, your approach should be that of listing the things, isn't it? While doing revision. Today, the problem is the majority of students, even after completion of their foundational learning, are oriented towards learning more and more. Yes, na? Right, because we are in a world of hyper reality. Right? Open happiness Coca-Cola. Open happiness Coca-Cola. People drink, people motivated to drink Coca-Cola by such advertisements. Isn't it? This is hyper real. Can Coca-Cola make you happy? No. But behavior is influenced or not? Are yes, na? Similarly, even after completion of foundational learning, following topper stock, senior stock, director stock, Kumar book depot wala ka talk, yes, na? Image runner stock, majority of students, keep on learning, aggregating, reading new sources rather than revising and reorganizing and listing the dimensions of topic so that they could retain those dimensions in examination hall. Writing is not only a mechanical act. It's not only a mechanical act. It's more reflexive act. Yes, na? And you can't reflect every detail that you write in your notes or books that is written in books. What you can reflect, this list actually, listing of dimensions. So not only in general studies, one example from sociology. Do you have syllabus? No. Please collect syllabus after this. Okay, you have. Yeah. Just we have a topic, historical materialism. And a topic, historical materialism. Karl Marx, first topic thinkers में. Yes, na? Thinkers में first topic यही है, historical materialism. Right. So, I will detail everything. Like about Karl Marx, then his thoughts. Yes, na? Then what is historical materialism, stages of historical materialism, everything in detail, isn't it? In fact, right from the beginning, my approach is to be very organized, not just tell stories in class, but I force my student to write also in class. Yes, na? Although, if I just, discuss things, I can complete this class in 3.5 months, 4 months may I can complete. Yes, na? Lekin, when I discuss and dictate, I ensure that everything is well organized in notes. So, in my notes, you will not have to make extra effort to organize things. I will teach in dimensions, but after completing syllabus, your responsibility would be listing those dimensions and doing horizontal correlations. That tricks and tactics I will discuss, how to correlate, how to apply. That I will discuss in class, isn't it? Right? But over the period of time, you have to switch from material orientation to a spiritual orientation. Material orientation to a spiritual orientation, reading the same thing time and again. A spiritual orientation कैसा होता है ना? Getting a point? Going to temple, going to church, going to mosque. Oh yeah, yes. Right. So you have to have a spiritual orientation. Just say in historical materialism, after completing everything, you will have clear dimensions in mind. What is historical materialism? Then intellectual antecedents. From where did Karl Marx derived motivation, inspiration to propound theory of historical materialism? Second point आ जाएगा, intellectual, antecedents. Third, basic concepts of historical materialism. Right, basic concepts of historical materialism. Fourth point, stages of historical materialism. Right? Then fifth point, alternative thesis on historical materialism. The thesis propounded by other sociologists apart from Karl Marx. And last point, sixth point, relevance of historical materialism in contemporary times. That is not given in books. Rather, we have to find by doing horizontal correlations, applying, in today's society. And trust me, sociology is systematic and scientific study of society. What is there in society that is mentioned in your syllabus, theoretically, conceptually, right? And in terms of social facts, phenomena, है ना? कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो सोसाइटी से बाहर है. Getting your point? So you will be able to apply, you will be able to correlate. By the time I complete this course, many students, send message ki sir, like everywhere, I'm just reflecting, like in family, kinship, interacting with my parents. Sir, sociology and sociological concepts come to mind. Sir, sociological hallucination type हो रहा है. Right. So yeah, this happens because this subject is very applied. The subject is very applied. Yes, na? Yesterday only I discussed, like we have to learn a topic, contemporary trend in systems of kinship. Contemporary trend in systems of kinship. Very open topic. So live-in relationship and many things. Isn't it? Already asked, last year live-in relationship was asked. Contemporary trend, systems of kinship, family marriage relation. what may be asked? Before yesterday only I discussed transformation of intimacy. Giddens का concept है, contemporary sociologist है, transformation of intimacy, right? अब उसी का कि how AI is transforming our intimacies. AI technology is transforming our intimacies, intimate relationship that exist between married couples. Yes, na? Right. Live-in relationship, unmarried cohabitation, that has been asked already. Is it in contemporary trend? So these things, what we see in society, कि AI is influencing our behavior. Yes, na? Right. So, you will be easily able to correlate. कि अच्छा, Giddens has propounded a concept of transformation of intimacy that is applied here in respect to AI technologies. Right. Getting your point. So whatever is there in society and what we will learn, that is highly correlated. Yes, na? So it is easy to apply and write something novel. Write something novel. Write something different. Yes, na? In some subjects, like students, I see a struggle getting up to 300 marks, like public administration, history, geography, in these subjects, because in these subjects, you have to have very good academic skills and higher academic skills, for application. Isn't it? Subjects are more research oriented, geography, and administration, until unless you are working in administration, it is difficult, to understand administration from outside, and intricacies, jo basics hai. So it becomes difficult. But in sociology, since you are born and brought up in society, and you have observation of society, and why do I ask, in very first class, I try to understand from where you belong to, so that whenever you have doubt, I will give example from your state. Naveen Babu ke state se example. Yes, na? Right. And Karthik ke state se example, right? So, like, you will be easily able to correlate and apply. And this you have to follow. This is the right, learning approach. And first detailing the things and detailing in class. Class में detailing करेंगे. Foundational learning, I will suggest you all celebrate foundational learning. है ना? जितना कुछ learn कर रहे हैं, just celebrate. Don't take it कि यारे बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, something, because you will have to. You have to learn everything, right? To become IAS, it is important, and it is important to believe that something is better than, something is better than everything. Something is better than everything. Something is better than everything. As I said, an IAS officer is not a specialist. He does not know everything of civil engineering, but he knows something of civil engineering. He knows something of, biology, something of physics, something of chemistry, something of geography, something of history, economy, polity, constitution, isn't it? Lawyer is there, na? Yes, na? Right, advocate general is there, a specialist. He knows everything of law. But district magistrate also knows something of constitution and law. Yes, na? Right, in our syllabus also, there is topic constitution, law and social change. Constitution, law and social change. Isn't it? You know something. Or a specialist services, lawyers are there. Getting a point or not? Right. So this is, and it is practically possible for you to retain that something and write that something in examination hall. UPSC also does not expect you to write everything in examination hall. Right? UPSC has limited you, right, in 150 words and 250 words. You have to express yourself, you have to articulate yourself in 100 words or 150 words. Simple. Right? UPSC कहाँ आपको time दे रहा है? 3 hours से ज़्यादा time है? No. In 3 hours, you have to write 19 questions in sociology. Yes, na? 19 questions, right? So, 7-8 minutes, 10 minutes time you have to articulate yourself. You can write something, but something of everything. Something of everything. That is the challenge actually. Yes, na? You are writing, poverty in paper 1. Poverty related issues, topic hai na, GS paper 1, isn't it? But in that, not only economic angle, yes na, yeah, social, rather historical, but is mercantile policy and poverty. Yes na, British land settlement policy and poverty, pauperization of rural masses. Yes na, right, something of history, right, something of geography, right, geographical, geomorphological factors, right, something of environment, disaster management. Yes na, disaster, how natural calamities and disasters are causing pauperization, poverty in society. Yes na, getting your point. Something of internal security, how Naxalism, in Naxal affected areas you will see lack of infrastructure, lack of educational infrastructure, isn't it? People are largely poor. Yes na, getting your point, right? How failure of policies and programs, isn't it? Right, getting your point or not? Solution में बात कर रहे हैं तो international cooperation for poverty elevation, World Bank funds and all, isn't it? So something of everything, isn't it? This is not academic exam. This should not be research oriented, right? In particular, rather you have to have, generalists. Yes, now you have to have very applied, correlated in your outlook and orientation, isn't it? So this is how you have to approach learning. Getting a point or not? And this process, as I said, is a process of personality development. What I am today and what I will be after completing this phase of preparation tomorrow. Yes na? मैं कहता हूँ कि like the test series and all cannot evaluate and fails to evaluate you. You can better evaluate yourself. Yes na? You can better evaluate yourself. Whether my outlook and orientation is changing or not over the period of time. Yes na? Right. My outlook and orientation, changes in my outlook and orientation, right, must be, realized by myself. Getting your point? Why? This, performance in examination hall requires knowledge and wisdom, right? Personality, when you define personality, how do you define personality? Personality को कैसे define करते हैं? Personality? Personality is sum total of, it's dynamic sum of. Whenever I define personality, I remember my father. Right? When I was going to convent school in 5th class, from government school, from grounded school, right? Ground, you understand? Huh? Earlier infrastructure was very poor, right? Somehow Father Sahib managed convent seat for me, so he said कि मतलब personality develop करिएगा. Personality, he defined personality for me. My father was graduate in English literature. So personality is dynamic sum of knowledge and wisdom. Personality is dynamic sum of knowledge and wisdom. Dynamic hai, dynamic sum. Always, something added in this. Yes, na, dynamic sum of knowledge and wisdom. Yes, na. Test series generally test your knowledge. Yes, na. And you can realize whether my wisdom has changed or not. Whether I have knowledge and wisdom both or not. Getting your point or not? Right? So, in examination hall, trust me, hardly 50% question you can write just reflecting on your knowledge. 50% question requires wisdom. Yes, na? The last year question, how geography shaped ancient history. Yes, na? Don't you think this requires wisdom of correlating geography and history? Yes, na? Right. So, over the period of time, you have to develop your personality, and that personality is dynamic sum of knowledge and wisdom. Isn't it? Not only knowledge. Majority of students are oriented, just for Aggregation, acquiring knowledge. Knowledge. That is material orientation. Yes, na? What I suggest, कि after completing your foundational learning, you have to stop. Yes, na, somewhere. For the time being, you have to take a break on your study table, right? And you have to make effort. Revision, reorganization. Revision, reorganization, and reflection on PYQ to reach out to NYQ. Reflection on PYQ to reach out to NYQ. है ना? It is very important to spend time with problems in life. In today's world, you know, we are not ready to spend time with problems. Yes, na? थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आता है लाइफ में, बस. यस ना? मॉस्किटो बाइट, है ना? डेंगू हो जाएगा. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे डेंगू हो जाएगा. अरे नहीं, होगा तो देखा जाएगा. Getting a point? It is very important to spend time with problems. Questions, PYQs are problems. Are yes, na? Problems. Right. And majority of students, you know, seeking solution directly from test series. कि test series join कर लेंगे? Solution. Yes, na? अरे, yesterday also I was suggesting many of my students, those who failed last year in prelims, this test series basically creates corridors. Yes, na? Otherwise, रास्ता तो बिल्कुल क्लियर है, राइट? ORN to UPSC, right? ORN to UPSC. History, all ancient, medieval, modern, world history, post-independent history, art and culture, all part of history. Geography, polity, constitution, governance, economic and social development, right? Environment and ecology, science and technology. Prelims का अगर बात करें, clear है? Yes ना? Right? After, हाँ, current also, current affairs, current. After learning, you know, right? Revision, reorganization, multiple revisions, then focus on PYQ to reach out to NYQ. Next year question. PYQ to NYQ. Isn't it? ठीक है, fine. I will write, you know, some test also. कुछ test भी मैं लिखूंगा. Yes ना? But these days what I see, majority of students are joining 2-3 test series. Right? And in last month, this month of April, majority are taken to new corridors actually by those test series. Writing test, they realize, okay, I'm not performing in environment ecology, so I should take some course in environment ecology. I'm not performing in, you know, geography, I should take some course in geography. Isn't it? This is the time, you know, at the end, one should have, you know, utmost patience, perseverance, discipline, but that is not maintained because of fear and anxiety. Yes, na? And so, in prelims, you know, you'll be surprised. Last year I taught 5 batches in sociology, and from phrase batch, hardly 4 students appeared in men's. Although overall I remember कि more than 150 students have appeared, 200 around students have appeared in men's, but all from previous batches. Phrase batches से समझ लो कि out of 5, only 4 students could qualify. And I'm not responsible for that. I teach sociology, right? And why did they fail? Because of such experimentation, getting into corridors of test series, and these corridors are congested, full of, you know, tensions and anxiety. What I suggest, you please make your own corridors of success at the end, your own funda at the end, in the month of April and May. अब देखेंगे, like you will see many YouTube videos, last 60 days strategy, last 60 days. Next video, this one mistake will destroy your chance for prelims. अब बस डर गए, अरे कौन सा वो मिस्टेक है? एक मिस्टेक, one mistake will destroy your chance of prelims, this year. Fear, anxiety, competition is high. Getting your point? Please, I suggest my students, to make your own corridors of success at the end, isn't it? And that also, spending more and more time on a study table in last months, yes, na? Reflecting on PYQ and reaching out to NYQ. Interacting with PYQ, 30 years, 40 years, yes, na? And asking address of NYQ. Clearly bata deta hai. Right, I will discuss more at micro level at some times, isn't it? Right. So this is foundational learning mein take help of your teachers, your coaching staffs, your friends, sab kuch foundational. After that, you will have to take responsibility. Yes, na, this is not clerical grade exams. Yes, na. At some point of time, you will have to have a sovereign thinker. Yes, na, sovereign personality. Yes, na, a personality who could take decisions, isn't it? How can you expect, to become IAS being a dependent personality? भाई IAS dependent है district में. अरे he has to take independent decisions, right? Every moment, every time. Yes, na? Right. So, early morning, अभी जैसे I was coming, so some student of mine, he is CDO, Chief Development Officer. He called me. तो बस हाल समाचार, बस सर लौट रहा हूँ घर. मतलब he was returning from some supervision work. Sir, I left 7:30 in the morning. Commissioner visited, some site, developmental site in some bridge, etc. So I had to be there. And like missed breakfast also. Or this is life. At times I think I was thinking some comfort in civil service. I left, corporate job. But this is super corporate job, sir. Morning to morning job. No nights. Morning to morning. Isn't it? And this is when he is CDO, Chief Development Officer. After that, he will become District Magistrate. So, all, more and more involvement, engagement. But yeah, for that only you are rewarded with so much of authority and discretion. Yes or no? उसी का तो reward है ना, authority and discretion. Isn't it? The sacrifices that you make. Yes, na? Getting your point or not? So you have to have a sovereign personality, independent personality, a decision maker, good decision maker, right? So over the period of time, you should follow this, right? I hope understood something. Yes, na? Right. This preparation is all about personality development. Yes, na? What I am today and what I will be tomorrow after completion of learning syllabus. Yes, na? And you have to have, discipline. है ना? देखो, many students right from the beginning are confused about PT and MENS. कि prelims में ये, MENS में ये. Right? See, 70% of syllabus is common. Yes, na? Commonality is there. PT and MENS. Be that history, including art and culture, geography, polity, constitution, governance. IR is also in both, right? Economic, social development, environment, ecology, science, technology. Yes, na? Current affairs. Although in MENS there is no specific mentioning of current affairs, but in different subjects, current affairs related to those subjects asked. Yes, na? So 20% like history, geography, all these are common. Right from the beginning, you should classify common syllabic topics and MENS specific topics. Yes, na? And in common topics, knowledge matrix will remain same. Knowledge matrix तो वही रहेगा ना? Right? जैसे मैंने कहा, like non-cooperation movement. So non-cooperation movement में knowledge matrix will remain the same. Factual, we will go for more and more factual detailing while preparing for prelims. Yes, na? like events at the places. We will go in more detail. Places under British province or places under princely estates. We will go further detailing. Who was the governor of British province? Who was the prince of princely estates? Yes, na? Getting your point? So, dimensional detailing will provide solution for prelims. Factual detailing will provide solution to prelims, and dimensional thinking, correlation, application will provide solution to mains. Isn't it? Knowledge matrix will remain same. Got this point or not? Right. Personality, one dimension of NCM, non-cooperation movement would be personality. Yes, na? So I said कि British personality and Indian personalities. Indian personalities में further we will go for profiling. Yes, na? Muslim leaders, those who were common to Khilafat movement and non-cooperation movement. Yes, na? Women leaders. Yes, na? Tribal leaders. Getting your point or not? Right. So, further profiling, further detailing we will go. Yes, na? Right. So, this is how we have to like organize the topic. 70% of syllabus is common. Ethics ho jata hai separate, plus some micro topics like disaster management, internal security, and hardly 1 to 2 questions asked. Yes or no? Getting your point? Right. So, such classifications should be there right from the beginning. Otherwise, coaching will, थोड़ा सा deviate you कि no prelims, mains and usage of terms, है ना? कि mains is conceptual, prelims is factual. जबकि in reality, अरे भाई, when facts are aggregated into meaningful entity that develops into concepts and theory. Yes, na? Do you think that concepts exist in isolation? Isolation of facts? No. Right. So, you should not get in trap of, such suggestions, isn't it? Rather a fine balancing, of concepts and facts, isn't it? In subjects for both prelims and mains, isn't it? Right. So, this is, I hope understood something, yeah? Yes, na? एक point आता है, जो majority students, ask, कि sir, current affairs, how to go about current affairs, right? See, current affairs for me is a big scam actually here at ORN. It's a big scam, right? Why I do say it a scam? Because like when it comes to mains, if you talk to your seniors, those who have written mains this year, honestly, before the result, percentage of contribution of their current affairs learning in mains, they will say 5%, some will say 10%, some will say 3%, isn't it? None will say more than 10%, isn't it? Current affairs supplement, complement to your basic knowledge. उसका काम है complement करना, supplement करना basic knowledge को, isn't it? But what coaching has done, coaching has created a world of current affairs by publishing these magazines, isn't it? Going into utmost detail, isn't it? Right. And these magazines are freely circulated in the market as a publicity medium. Yes, na? So publicized हो जाता, publicity हो जाता, but we will see this year also after prelims, right? Suddenly students are all wastage. अरे इतना पढ़ा था ये magazine. Not a single question was asked directly. This happens every year, isn't it? Getting your point? So, as a beginner, in the beginning, I will suggest you all to have very good basic knowledge, basic understanding of history, geography, polity, constitution, governance, environment, ecology, economic and social development for the time being. Suppose you have started, today, And if you start understanding newspaper from today, you will fail to understand. So take it easy. Yes, na, read newspapers, but don't waste your time. Yes, na, in the beginning, too much in current affairs. Right? A good foundational learning of the core subjects, good foundational learning of the core subjects, and then switch to reading newspapers so that you could filter, relevant content, relevant, facts. Getting your point? See, newspaper is written for chai wala, for rickshaw wala, for all in society. Newspapers are not only meant for, UPSC aspirants. Yes, na? Newspapers lobby for industrialists. Yes, na? Newspapers lobby for, environmentalists. Yes, na? Getting your point? There are many vested interests in newspapers, isn't it? And here I see UPSC aspirants, taking burden of all those interests. Reading, in too much detail, isn't it? The purpose of reading should be just, updation. Yes, na? Updating my existing knowledge matrix. अरे आंसर कितने वर्ड में लिखना है, right? 250 words? Yes, na? 250 words. And any topic of current relevance also always has, some basics, conventional, dimensions. Getting your point? You cannot write in isolated manner. Getting your point, right? In sociology also, at times, something related to contemporary affairs is asked. That we will discuss also in class. But there you are supposed to write sociology. जैसे MG Narega was asked. MG Narega. Yes, na? I mean, sociology, you are not expected to write. You are not expected to write what are the provisions of MG Narega and detailing of MG Narega. Rather, functionalist theoretical perspective on MG Narega. Marxist theoretical perspective on MG Narega. We have a topic, major theoretical strand. After learning that topic, you will have insights to apply to explain current facts. And a feminist perspective on MG Narega. Subaltern perspective on MG Narega. Yes, na? Getting your point? You have to write sociology, not current affairs. Getting your point? Right. So this is. So, in respect to current affairs, I will request you all, suggest you all, please don't, devote too much time in the beginning. Balance your time. Over the period of time, you switch to current affairs learning and all. But in the beginning, those who have completed, you can read daily newspapers, you can dedicate 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Yes, na? But as a beginner, if you are dedicating 2 hours, 3 hours, it's sheer wastage of time. You don't understand, the basic concepts. How will you interpret? How will you correlate? Yes, na? Right. So this is, right? ये ध्यान रखिएगा. And try to make note out of note, in respect to current affairs. जैसे if you get magazine from your current affairs coaching institution, ठीक है, free में ही मिल रहा है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं ना कि free में कुछ भी मिलेगा तो. Getting a point or not? Free भी जैसे भी, है ना, लेथार्जिक बना देता है हमें, तो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, उसको फिल्टर करेंगे, है ना. मैगजीन को must be minimized in 5 to 10 pages. If you are minimizing that, if you are filtering content, then only that is relevant, otherwise you are wastage of time. Coloring is not solution. Yes, na? I see students, have illusion of competency. Illusion of competency. Yes, na? Solving tests, reading current affairs, majority of students get illusioned that they are, all competent. They are preparing well. Yes, na? And when they go to write paper exam, oh my God, solution ही नहीं हो रहा है, crack ही नहीं हो रहा है. Getting your point? So developing competency is something different from getting illusioned of competency. Yes, na? अपन को क्या लगता है कि like in this world, we have, quest for something new. Every time we are living in this material world, having, orientation, meaningful orientation to have something new, something different. Yes, na? But different from that, UPSC, nothing new. Syllabus belongs to 2G world, and today we are in 5G world. है ना? सिलेबस तो उसी वर्ल्ड का है ना, 2G वर्ल्ड का. Yes or no? Last year in 2023 cutoff was for open category, cutoff was 74 open category. Accordingly others relatively easier question in year 2024 open category cutoff I am expecting to be 90 to 95 maximum. Yes na, matlab below 100 cutoff is below 100. Yes na. But I see students while solving tests they get stressed, you know, sir, I am underperforming. I am not able to do the best. Sir, I committed, you know, 5 mistakes, 10 mistakes. What I suggest, please don't challenge UPSC. UPSC को challenge नहीं करिए. मान लीजिए कि UPSC is great. Out of 100 questions, I don't know 25 questions. I don't know 25 questions. Don't challenge ki out of 100 I will do 100. 25 question I don't. Rest 75. We all are human beings and as humans we commit mistakes. If you don't commit mistake, people will start worshipping you, will become God, you know. Yes na. To err is human. Error karna human ka fitrat hai. Yes na. So I will commit 10 to 15 mistakes out of 75. Yes na, 60. If I am doing 60 questions correctly, I will qualify or not. Yes na. So what I suggest, you know, try to be calculative, you know, make calculated effort. Don't be blind, you know, as motivated by coaching institution to be the best and do 100 out of 100. Yesterday also one student came कि sir अभी full length test दिया था 20 क्वेश्चन मिस्टेक हो गया. बोला भैया क्या करना है तुम्हें, रिवार्ड लेना है ना, अवार्ड. 20 क्वेश्चन मिस्टेक. He did correctly, you know, 80 and then also he was stressed. 80 means what? 160, 150 and cutoff is going below 100 and this is the trend for last 5 years. Yes na? And this will remain the same. This will remain the same because there is lag between expectation of UPSC and what is being provided by coaching institution. And majority of students following coaching institution. So that because of that, you know, cutoff is yes na. And taking into account, you know, the trend of cutoff, you should make efforts. Yes na. It's a blind नहीं होना चाहिए. Perfectionist नहीं. Yeah, I will be perfectionist. No, I will do 100 out of 100. Similarly, if you see men's cutoff, toppers are aggregating कितना? Toppers marks, total marks का hardly 53%, 53 to 55%. Yes na? None aggregating more than 55. Yes na? So why to think of, you know, 100%? Getting a point. Overall aggregate. Yes na? Overall aggregate, I will target to get, you know, 60%. I will end up by getting, you know, 55%. Yes na? To get into toppers list. Getting a point. So try to achieve that efficacy of 55 to 60%. Not 100%. Otherwise you will put yourself under stress. Yes na? Getting a point or not? Right. And something, as I said, is something is better than everything. Yes na? Right. I will start, you know, in sociology also. I will start, you know, I will right from the beginning after completing syllabus topics, I will give you some assignment. But assignment is meant just for, you know, forcing you to revise and write something. But I know you cannot write perfect answer right from the beginning. Yes na? How can be a beginner be and behave like a finisher? Can he? Arey nahi na. Right. A beginner cannot be a finisher. But following topper stock, a topper is a finisher. Following topper stock, beginners also trying to be and behave like finishers, toppers. And that's where problem starts. Yes na? I suggest in the beginning, just celebrate your learning. Please don't enter into, you know, this irrational, unwanted competition in your foundational class, in GS classes also. Weekly test, monthly test, usko number आ गया, मेरे को नहीं आया. नहीं. Yes ना? Right. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You are just a beginner, right? Be happy. Learn something to improvise. Be happy. Yes, na? Don't follow that model answer. Yes, na? Model answer these days are Google generated. Yes, na? Right. And you are human beings. Subjects are all related to humanities. And there must be human touch in our answers. Yes or no? Right. Google like finish is not required. Human touch hona chahiye answers mein. That human touch is missing. That's why students are getting double digit. Yes, na? Not even getting 100 marks in GS3 and GS1. GS3 economics, majorly economy. And you will see here in this ORN and international repute ka teacher is also there. वो क्या नाम है उधर गुजरात वाले पटेल जी is a teacher of international repute in GS3. Huh? Huh? He claims to be internationally, you know, right, popular. Yeah. And despite that, for last 4 years, you see students are getting average score in GS3. Despite too much of, you know, artwork, too much of block diagram, flow charts. Yes, no? Getting your point or not? Despite that subject being common to PT and mains, students are getting lesser and lesser score in GS3. Matlab somewhere UPSC ka expectation is not being fulfilled by. Getting your point or not? Are yes, na? Right. Problem to hai. Are yes, na? Right. Problem kya hai? That what I understand, human touch in answers missing. Students are just, you know, running behind, you know, flow charts and block diagram. Flow chart. Teachers also suggest you make flow chart, block diagram in every answer. Yes, na? Increase your marks by 2 marks, 3 marks. ऐसा बोलते हैं ना? Yes, na? लेकिन हो क्या रहा है? Every year decline, decline, decline. Last year majority of students got double digit. मेरे को कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं मिला out of 100 जो मेरे qualify किए students, those who qualified from TRIAM, none scored in triple digit in GS3. Right. Even rank 13, Megha Anand, rank 11, their score is also double digit in GS3. Yes, na? Getting your point. So this computer like, you know, generative answers not required. In answers, there must be human touch. Yes, na? Humanities ka subjects hai na? And you are going to serve humans. Yes, na? So applied reflective answers should be there. Yes, na? Right. These things you have to think over the period of time. It is not necessary to take every command of Vikas Ranjan or any other teacher. Rather, you have to think on a study table. Yes, na? As I said and suggested, over the period of time, you have to be a sovereign personality. Yes, na? Sovereign personality with sovereign thoughts on the basis of your learning of syllabus, your analysis of PYQ, your thinking of NYQ. Getting your point, right? So this is. I hope you understood something, yeah? Yes, na? Right. And see, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ कि current affairs is a big scam. So many students after writing exam, when they come to see me, they also say कि sir आपने सही बोला था. That this time I dedicated too much time, you know, on current affairs, completing all booklets, and I forgot everything of history, geography. I could not revise well. है ना? वही, right? Last में realize होता है. And I say, you know, many students, you know, understand my words in second attempt, not in first attempt. In first attempt में क्या होता है? Peer pressure होता है. So generally, students follow what the peer suggest, you know, and this ORN, you know. But in second attempt, they understand my words. Yes, na? Right? You सही कहा था उन्होंने. Right? So, anyways, I hope understood something, yeah? कुछ समझ में आया? Right? So this is how you should approach as far as sociology is concerned. See, एक बात और, before I discuss something of sociology, please don't take any subject, you know, in isolated terms. None of the subjects are isolated. है ना? After completing, you know, syllabus of sociology and GS, do good revision and be open to use your knowledge matrix. something of sociology in GS, something of GS in sociology, something of GS1 in GS2, something of GS2 in GS3, something of GS3 in GS2, GS1, isn't it? Right. See, like this is taste of your personality. This is taste of your personality. And personality is dynamic sum of knowledge and wisdom. Yes, na? Right. Getting your point. Dynamic sum of knowledge and wisdom. Right. Suppose last year there was a previous year there is a question, critically analyze working of Panchayati Raj institution in paper 2, right? Question relates to paper 2. So learning of Lakshmikant or constitution, yes na? PRI's related provisions, yes na? Polity, yes na? But question ka tag is critically analyze. So only 30-40% of your learning of Lakshmikant or your constitution and polity learning, for 60% of the content for answer you will have to reflect on syllabus topics, paper 1 to paper 4, something of sociology, maybe. Like critically analyze. Panchayati Raj आपने describe कर दिया, constitutional provision, working of panchayats, and then critics. तो critics में क्या आएगा? You will have to reflect on society, GS paper 1. Yes na, society area. कि casteism. Yes na, caste based discrimination. Isn't it? Conflict and tensions. Isn't it? Limits functioning of Panchayati Raj institution. Yes na? Right. Panchayats, Gram Sabha needs cooperation. Isn't it? But where there is caste based discrimination, social distance, isn't it? Tensions. So Gram Sabha meetings are not held. Yes na? And that affects working of Panchayati Raj institution. Got this point? So you will have to reflect on paper 1. Then you will write some point. है ना? Then patriarchy. जैसे पेपर 1 में सोसाइटी में you have one topic, salient features of Indian society. तो उसमें अपन बात करते हैं tradition and modernity. So tradition में traditionally there had been patriarchy, and patriarchy has continued in modern times also in rural agrarian areas. So patriarchy also, है ना, limits functioning of Panchayati Raj institution. Sarpanch Pati, yes na? Pati Pradhan, yes na? What is called in Tamil? Head of the Gram Panchayat? Panchayat Talibar, yeah, Panchayat Talibar, right? Ab, if women are elected as Panchayat Talibar in northern Indian states, in many states, husbands, participate in meetings. Yes, na? In Tamil Nadu also. See, same in Tamil Nadu also, right? So, in Kerala not, because Kerala women are highly empowered, yeah, mobilized, yeah, and there also, no. So yes, so what I mean to say, this is how patriarchy limits functioning of Panchayati Raj institution, working of Panchayati Raj institution. Getting your point? Then comes education and literacy. People are not constitutionally, legally literate enough, to claim their rights to participate in Gram Sabha meetings. Yes na, in decision making process. Yes na. So that is also. Ab India mein to educational disparity is there, illiteracy is there. Yes or no? So that also you have to borrow from paper 1. Getting your point or not? Paper 3, paper 2 ka question has something from paper 3. Natural disasters, high incidence of natural disasters. Panchayats have very limited, powers, limited, financial rights, isn't it? And they fail to serve the people at the time of natural disasters. We are totally dependent on NDRF or SDRF. Yes or no? Right. Then internal security, say some point in Naxal affected areas, do you think Panchayat functions appropriately? In terrorism, militancy affected areas, Panchayats in Manipur and all, isn't it? Nahin. Yes na. So, like reflecting on all these, you will have to write limitations of working of Panchayats, criticism of working of Panchayats. Getting a point? We learn something in sociology also. Although we don't have to learn in detail, but we have a topic, decentralization and Panchayati Raj institution and a local self-government, decentralization and local self-government, isn't it? So something there we will learn. From there also you can borrow 1 or 2 points. Yes, na? Right. So this is how you have to use your knowledge matrix. So develop your personality with such orientation to be a good user of knowledge matrix and a good use of knowledge and wisdom. Not only every time, dependent on notes, every time dependent on books, every time, like searching, seeking content, from books. Yes, na? That must be, like ingrained in your personality, isn't it? Inculcated in your personality over the period of time. Yes, na? और यही difference रह जाता है dear. Everybody works hard, everybody is working here, hard here. Yes, na? सब कोई hard work कर रहा है, consistency है, discipline है, everything is there, isn't it? But this practical approach to develop personality is missing, isn't it? And here at ORN, problem is by the time you complete your foundational learning, you are served with a platter of courses these days. Yes or no? Foundational learning complete hote, like sure sort mains program, sure sort PT program, and a value addition current affairs program. मतलब कि उसके पहले वैल्यू एडिशन नहीं हो रहा था फाउंडेशनल लर्निंग में. अरे फाउंडेशनल लर्निंग के बाद स्टूडेंट्स should be a good partner of teacher, actually companion of teacher, and not a dependent personality, rather like interaction on, getting a point, interaction on equal plane. Yes na, ऐसा dependency motivation नहीं. Yes na, right, otherwise it will take time. The time लग जाएगा, resource wastage हो जाएगा. Yes na, ज़्यादा, and you all are human resources. Yes na, right. Getting a point or not? Right. So this is, I hope understood something, yeah? Yes. As far as sociology is concerned, I will discuss in detail about sociology in our second orientation. है ना? अभी के लिए, have you got one booklet from here? I've done a compilation of NCERT. है ना? NCERT is of class 11, right? Good compilation of NCERT. In next 1 month, just read that comfortably. Yes, na? Right. You all have started your general studies? Huh? All, right? Fine. And right approach is to complete optional with your general studies learning. Many students, think ki, first I will do general studies, then sociology, first sociology, then general studies. What I suggest, ki complete learning part in one go and force yourself. Yes, na? You have to learn a lot and you have to revise a lot. है ना? तो learning एक बार में complete करिए. Yes ना? Right. उसके बाद a spiritual orientation on a study table. फिर study table पे time you have to spend for next 4-5 months doing good revision. Yes na? Right. And you are all are early starters, so you will complete comfortably by August, September, and then you will have enough time, till December to do a good revision and practice. At the end, I will give you a workbook also for practice consisting of, 10 tests. Regularly, I will be giving assignment, and you will realize if you have, knowledge matrix, you are comfortable in writing. It's all game of good knowledge matrix and reflection. It's not just mechanical act. It's not just mechanical act. And look, there are individual differences. Some students, develop that reflective ability in one go. Some other students, need to do more revision to develop that reflective ability. Yes, na? I remember in year 2018, one of my students, he got 300 marks in just 4 months of preparation. And one of my students, Reddy from Andhra Pradesh, although he has scored 300 plus in last attempt, previous attempts also. In last 3 attempts, out of 6 attempts, in last 3 attempts, he got 300. Yes, na? In last attempt, he got selected, recommended for IPS. Yes, na? So one, students in 4 months and other students took 3 years to reach to that level, isn't it? What I mean to say, individual differences are also there. So we will make more and more effort to develop reflective ability after learning, be that general studies or optional. But see, you will reflect those content only which you read time and again. Yes, now after completing foundational learning of GS, if you are not doing revision of the same and you are switching to other sources, matlab again you are starting new readings. That is not revision. Yes, na? Getting your point. Reading the same content time and again will enhance your reflective ability. Reflexivity tabhi enhance hoga. Yes or no? Right. And in sociology, you easily develop reflexive ability because you are able to connect. है ना? जो आप सोसाइटी में देख रहे हैं ना, those things only I will discuss here in this class. जो सोसाइटी में है ना? कुछ भी beyond सोसाइटी नहीं. That I assure you. है ना? इधर कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट थियरी नहीं होगा. नाम सुन के लगता है ना, कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट थियरी, मतलब लगता है कि कुछ हुआ है ना? अदरवाइज इधर क्या होगा? फैमिली, मैरिज, किनशिप, यस ना, रिलीजन, गेटिंग राइट, कास्ट, यस ना. तो whatever is there in society that we will learn. We have 5 primary institutions: family, economy, polity, education, religion, and related secondary institutions. About those institutions, we have to learn, and all those institutions exist in society. All those structures are there in society, isn't it? Right. So this is. So aisa. Baki, last point, in sociology, like as we will approach syllabus topics, they will focus on 3 things. 3 ही बात पे फोकस करेंगे अपन, है ना? सेंट्रल एलिमेंट होगा, 3 सेंट्रल एलिमेंट: कॉन्सेप्ट्स, थियरी एंड फैक्ट्स. सोशल फैक्ट्स, कॉन्सेप्ट, थियरी एंड फैक्ट्स, फेनोमेना, फैक्ट्स डैश फेनोमेना. यस ना? In GS, you have to focus on concepts and facts. Concepts and facts. Facts will be static, conventional, as well as dynamic. है ना? जैसे Macaulay minutes, previous year question में भी आया हुआ है. Macaulay minutes. Yes ना? Right. So Macaulay minutes, modern education, English education was introduced in India. Modern history we will learn. Right. अब that is historical fact, but something of current fact you will add if you are writing in mains exam. क्या add करेंगे? Something of current. क्या add करेंगे? Today, IT sector boom in India is credited to English language. Yes, na? Apart from technological advancement. Yes or no? Apart from unification, national development, nationalism ka development, rise of nationalism, in today's time also, Macaulay minutes introduction of English as a medium of education is relevant, that India has emerged as a IT sector hub. Yes or no? Right. And we are far ahead of many of South Asian countries. Yes, na, Southeast Asian countries in IT sector. Yes or no? So something of current. Yes, na. So facts will be static as well as dynamic. In some topics there may be more dynamic facts, less static facts. In some majority of topics, more static facts, less dynamic facts. Balancing you have to do. Static and dynamic. And some concepts. Concepts and facts. GS में ही होगा. Sociology में क्या होगा? 3 एलिमेंट होगा. Concept, theory and facts dash phenomena. Yes ना? अपन fact मानते हैं. Family is a social fact. Economy is a social fact. है ना? Polity is a social fact. Yes ना? बहुत सारे facts हमारे हैं. और उसी के ऊपर there are some concepts and theories. यस ना, कैपिटलिस्ट इकोनॉमी है आज के समय में, तो क्यों है? तो मार्क्सियन कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड थियरी विल बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वेबेरियन कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड थियरी. यू हैव टू हैव मेनी अप्रोचेज, थियोरेटिकल अप्रोचेज टू अंडरस्टैंड द सेम फैक्ट एंड फेनोमेना. जैसे फैमिली है, एक फैक्ट है, लेकिन मार्क्सिस्ट का अप्रोच एंड फंक्शनलिस्ट का अप्रोच, है ना, फेमिनिस्ट का अप्रोच विल बी डिफरेंट. यस ना? तो ये अच्छा है ना कि एक ही फैक्ट को समझने का 4-5 तरीका. अरे यस और नो? इसी से तो एक्सप्लेन होगा. आई विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन विद सम पर्सपेक्टिव. यस और नो? कि व्हाई फैमिलीज आर न्यूक्लियराइजिंग. So, according to functionalists, according to Marxist, according to feminist, according to postmodernist, 4-5 perspectives. That is getting your point. So this is facts का features देख लेंगे कि features of nuclear family and why nuclear family. Theoretical answer. Getting your point. So this is how we have to approach learning sociology syllabus topics. Yes, I hope you understood something. अरे yes ना, थोड़ा conformist रहिएगा मेरे क्लास में. If you don't confirm, I keep repeating, you know. Right? And make it थोड़ा सा interactive also. Right? Live, interactive. Yes na? I will understand sociology easily. Right? But as I said, not just, you know, learning sociology is important to crack this exam, but overall approach matters, you know. Isn't it? Overall approach matters. Yes na? थोड़ा सा अपने approach को personalize करिएगा. Don't be blind to, you know, देखिए, सबका अपना interest है. Coachings also have own interest. Yes na? But as a teacher, my interest lies in your interest. Getting a point? And your interest is क्या? To crack this exam. अरे yes ना? You have vested interest in cracking this exam. तो मेरा मतलब I think कि I should also think in that manner कि how you will crack this exam. Isn't it? Right. And you have come here to crack this exam. So please don't be blind to such motivational gurus, you know, those who every day chant this mantra कि कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा. Yes na? No. You are here to crack this exam, not just to get tajurba. You understood? You? Hello? Understood? There are motivational talks na in Hindi, कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा. No. I have come to crack this exam, so I will crack this exam. I have to be selfish. Yes na, I have to be motivated. Yes na, for cracking this exam. India में like dosage of motivation is higher than our problems. We are not that troubled. As you know, every day people come and give us some dosage of motivation. No. Yes na, overdose हो रहा है. Right. You should tell those people कि okay, fine, it's all right. Let me spend some time with my problems. Even if I am in problem, I am troubled. Let me spend some time with problem. Without spending time with problems, you will not be enlightened to find out solution. Isn't it? Don't always be dependent and always rushing, you know, finding out solution. Please spend some time with problems. Isn't it? है ना? To be enlightened for getting solutions. Getting your point or not? Right. These motivational gurus are not letting us to be in problem. Right. Spend time with problem. Isn't it? Right. So this is. Okay, fine. So this is all for today. Right. अब यहाँ से my hand holding will continue till you write this exam. When you ask me कि sir syllabus कब complete होगा? मेरा my reply is कि a day before exam. अभी मैं फोन लेकर नहीं आया, नहीं तो आपको बताता मैं कि this year mains exam and just, you know, a day before exam till 12 in the night, continuous, you know, conversation in the group of students writing mains. है ना? अभी जैसे interview, students are appearing in interview. Yesterday also, I slept. Generally, that is routine, you know, at 1 in the morning, in the midnight, 1 a.m. in midnight. Those students who are appearing in personality test, every time, you know, some queries, some questions, and come to their mind and they find solution. So it will take, you know, 5 months, 5 to 6 months maybe. Yes, na? If I have to complete the course the way course is completed in other institutions, I can complete in 3.5 months. Right? But completion is not important. Completion is not important. And syllabus completion is never equal to preparation and competency, isn't it? Understanding concepts, theories, facts, internalizing those concepts and having ability and competency to use those concepts important. So discussion, dictation, discussion will follow by dictation, and you have to have a skill of writing, and writing skill does not come only with test writing, rather irregular writing, letting your mind to listen, think and write in class also, isn't it? So continuous process. It should be a continuous process, right? Okay, fine. This is all for today. Yeah. Good luck. Sai bless you all. अच्छा होगा, है ना? अच्छा होगा. और बस कॉन्फिडेंस रखिए, हो जाएगा. Right? Right? Okay, good luck. Good luck. God bless you all. I did not discuss much today on sociology. I will discuss in next orientation all about sociology. Everything of sociology. Today was just, कि knowing you, कहाँ से आप हैं, है ना? Right? And then understanding your academic backgrounds and all, diversity, understanding this diversity, right? And then sharing my, learning how to approach this process, right? Okay, good luck.